The hearing to declare 3 missing boys legally dead got underway today. Andrew, Alexander, and Tanner Skelton went missing the day after Thanksgiving in 2010. The boys have never been found.
Their father, John Skelton, is behind bars for unlawful imprisonment. He's scheduled to be released from prison later this year.
Melissa Andrews is in Lenawee County. She has more on who took the stand and what was said.
The hearing wrapped up in Lenawee County Probate Court in just one day. 5 witnesses, including the boy's mother, Tanya Zuvers, testified they all believe that John Skelton killed the boys on or about November 26, 2010. Tanya and the investigators all said the trouble began 2 months before the boys disappeared, when John started talking about moving the family to Florida. Tanya refused, and John successfully took 2 of them, which caused her to file for divorce. He had visitation for Thanksgiving 2010, and when he didn't return the boys, Tanya, of course, demanded to know where they were. John said he gave them to a woman he'd made up, Joanne Taylor. He arrived at a hospital with an ankle injury, and the boys were missing. He started making erratic statements, demanding investigators search dumpsters for the boys, saying he wrapped them in blankets, also telling them he had a dream that he was Joanne Taylor.
Within this nightmare, he describes what he thinks is Joanne Taylor, but he's unsure if it was possibly himself. And he explains that he is, I believe, is it 95% sure that the boys were in a dumpster near Holiday City, Ohio. He urges the interviewers to respond and get his boys.
Tanya Zuvers' attorney told the judge that she, as a mother, has been waiting for 14 long years for her children to come home, and all of the evidence points to the fact they will never come home. She said it's time to deliver justice for the boys, a death certificate, and a date of death. Now, the boys also had a court-appointed attorney to represent their best interest. She also said, in light of all of this evidence, she hopes the judge will determine the boys have died. The judge is expected to deliver her decision here Wednesday morning. Reporting in Adrian, Melissa Andrews, WTOL 11.